Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Next topic is carbon and its compounds. It's the very important for polyset exam. Minimum 5 bits will become. In this first, what is valency of carbon? So carbon is the non-metal. It is the non-metal. Its carbon valency of carbon. Valency of carbon. Actually, carbon valency 4. Atomic number is 6. Carbon, we can write helium 2s2 2p2. This 2 electrons, this is 2 electrons, this is the ground state. In excited state, 1 electron moves into 2p orbital. Just 1 electron move into 2p orbital, 1 2 3. So totally 4 unpaired electrons are present in carbon. So the valency of carbon is 4. It's the basic property of carbon compounds, carbon valence. So here it's the all compounds depending on carbon valence. Next, hybridization. Hybridization. So already discussed about in previous class hybridization. Yes, now we will discuss about only examples. This sp hybridization. So now first sp3. This example is CH4. sp2 hybridization example is C2H4. Third sp hybridization example C2H2. So a small trick is there. You can write here. If carbon single bond carbon, the carbon will be sp3 hybridization, means 0 pi bonds. If carbon containing single bond, that is called sp3 hybridization. So 0 pi bonds, 0 pi bonds present means sp3 hybridization. If carbon double bond carbon, this is it will be sp2 hybridization. So 1 pi bond means sp2 hybridization, 0 pi bonds means sp3 hybridization. If carbon triple bond carbon, it will be sp hybridization. So 2 pi bonds present in this means that is sp hybridization. For example, here this carbon only no 0 pi bonds, means not having pi bonds. That's why it is sp3 hybridization. It is also sp3 hybridization. In this 1 pi bond is there. 1 pi bond means sp2 hybridization. So this carbon sp2 hybridization, this carbon sp2 hybridization. So this is also 2 pi bonds is there. So this is sp hybridization, this is sp hybridization. For example, CH3 single bond CH3. This is the example sp3 sp3. So here no pi bonds is there, and CH2 double bond CH2. This carbon having 1 pi bond, so sp2 hybridization. This carbon having 1 pi bond, so it is also sp2 hybridization. Next, CH triple bond CH. So easily identified, this is 2 pi bonds is there, 1 2, This is sigma bond. This is also sp hybridization. This is the hybridization. Next topic is hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons means carbon and hydrogen containing compounds are called hydrocarbons. Carbon and hydrogen containing compounds are called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. For example, CH4. This is the hydrocarbon. C2H2. This is the hydrocarbon. C2H4. These are examples of hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbons are mainly divided into two types. That is the hydrocarbons. This mainly two types: saturated and unsaturated. So saturated means the carbon containing carbon and carbon contains single or double single bond, and the carbon containing single bond is called saturated. For example, CH3 single bond CH3, just name ethane. So here single bond means in suffix we add ane, suffix add ane, so that's why ethane. This general formula of alkanes CnH2n plus 2. If n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For example, if n equal to 1, C1 H2 into 1 plus 2 gives rise to CH4. So here one carbon means meth, suffix ane, methane. If two carbons, n equal to 2, C2 H2 into 2 plus 2, so C2 4 plus 6, CH3 single bond CH3. So this is the ethane, this is called ethane. Next, unsaturated compounds. If carbon containing, if carbon contains double bond or triple bond, is called unsaturated compound. For example, CH2 double bond CH2, this is the alkene. CH triple bond CH, this is alkyne. So in this, if alkene suffix ene, so double bond means ene. If alkyne suffix ine, only this only remember. So triple bond. So carbon containing double bond or triple bond containing compounds are called unsaturated compounds. Single bond means saturated compounds. Example, general formula of alkenes is CnH2n. CnH2n. If here n equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. If n equal to 2, the C2 H2 into 2, so C2 H4. For example, double bond CH2 CH2. This is the ethylene or ethene. So suffix add, if double bond means suffix add ene. If n equal to 3, C3 H2 into 3, C3 H6. The form structure will be this like CH3 H2. So once remember, carbon valency 4. So in this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 valency. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This valency 3 plus 1, 4. So this is called 3 carbons means propene. So here 1, 2, 3. So 1 propane.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this